Find unknown measurements. Today we're going to continue to talk about how we can write an equation or use a picture to solve a problem that has an unknown measurement. Avery is 37 inches tall. During second grade, she grew. Now she's 52 inches tall. So how many inches did Avery grow? Well, we know that she started out as 37 inches. During that time, she grew some number of inches that we don't know, and she wound up at the end of the year at 52 inches, which means that we're missing a piece. So if we're missing a piece, we need to subtract. We can subtract in lots of different ways. Who remembers this? You guys should be familiar with this. We used these number lines to subtract when we did 3-digit addition and subtraction and when we did 2-digit addition and subtraction. So I'm going to use my number line to count up from 37. So I'm going to start at 37 and add 3 inches to get to 40, just to make it easier for me to count. Then 10 inches will get me to 50. And then 2 more will get me to 52 inches. So now I'm going to add all of those up. My 3 inches, my 10 inches, and my 2 inches. And I get 15, which means that during second grade, Avery grew 15 inches. Ash went fishing with his father. He got some fishing line out of his bag. Then he tied on 27 more centimeters of fishing line. And now the line is 62 centimeters long. How many centimeters did Ash start with? I'll read it again. Ash went fishing with his father. He got some fishing line out of his bag. Then he tied on 27 centimeters of fishing line. Now the line is 62 centimeters long. So how many centimeters did Ash start with? So in this case, if we write an equation, we see that we don't know what we started with. It says he pulled some fishing line out of his bag, but we don't know how much. Then he tied on 27 centimeters more. I decided to add that because I heard the words he tied on more. And we know that he ended up with 62 centimeters. So now we need to figure out that one missing part. And again, we know if we're looking for a missing piece, we always subtract. That's right. So here's another strategy for subtraction in case you forgot. Our good old 10s and 1s. So here's my 62. And I need to take away 2 10s and 7 1s. But I don't have enough 1s over in my 1s column right now, so I need to regroup. So I'm going to take a 10 and regroup it as 10 1s. Then I'm going to take away my 2 10s, and that leaves me with 10, 20, 30, 32, 34, 35. So that means that Ash started out with how much? With 35 centimeters. And I know this, I can check it because 35 plus 27 equals 62. Let's try one more together. Lisa ran 36 meters. Lana ran 5 fewer meters than Lisa. And Williams ran 2 fewer meters than Lana. So how many meters did Williams run? Okay, well, let's think about this and fill in the information as we have it. So let's start up at the top again. We have Lisa, Lana, and Williams. Lisa ran 36 meters. We know that because it says it flat out in the problem. Right now, we don't know how many Lana or Williams ran. So it says Lana ran 5 fewer meters than Lisa. Well, when I hear the word fewer, am I adding on or taking away? I'm taking away. So in order to find how many Lana has, because it says Lana has 5 fewer than Lisa, I'm going to take Lisa's 36 and subtract 5, and I'll get 31. Okay, so now I know that Lisa has 36 and Lana has 31 meters. So my next part says that Williams ran 2 fewer than Lana. Well, we know that Lana ran 31 meters. So I'm going to subtract 2 because it says that Williams ran 2 fewer than Lana. And if I subtract 31 minus 2, I'll know that Williams ran 29 meters. Now you guys are going to do a practice on Pearson. So go ahead and log into Edsby and log into Clever rather, and click on Pearson for your math assignment.